Sometimes in the tropics you get tropical storms, and that's what is happening right now. Let's have a look outside the window. How do we open this? Yeah. So, how do you open it? Here we go. Thank you. Yeah. Wow. Look at this. A tropical storm. But I don't think it's going to last long. I checked the weather forecast and it said it's not going to last too long. That's alright, because we've got plenty of entertainment in the hotel, as you can see. Enjoying the TV. Enjoying the TV, right? Yes, you are. Enjoying the TV. Let's have a look outside. But even though it's raining, it's still hot and humid. And I like rain, actually. In the tropics, the rain, it kind of cools you down, makes you feel more refreshed, which is a good feeling. Today we're expected to go to the beach again, and we've got this little presentation that we need to have a look at, and I think just stay by the pool, do a few laps. I haven't got much planned for today. We do have something in the pipeline. On Wednesday we might be going snorkeling again, and we're thinking about visiting a rescue dolphin sanctuary later on, so something to look forward to. But I think for today it's either going to be by the pool, maybe get a massage or get a foot massage, as you do when you're on holiday in Bali. Nothing much planned for today, just relax. Stay in the hotel. The hotel's got a lot of things to do. It's got a gym, just eat and drink and stay by the pool, basically. That's what it's all about. When you come to Bali, just stay by the pool or go in the sea, scuba diving, snorkeling and that kind of thing. Oh, but wait, the rain seems to be easing off. Seems to be getting lighter. The rain is easing off. This is incredible. Yeah, so just literally 10 seconds ago there's a tropical storm. The wind has died down, the rain is stopping. That's incredible. Amazing. Yeah, so there you go. The beach is back on, the swimming pool's back on. Yeah, today is just going to be relaxing. We all had breakfast, ready to go, bellies full. We are going to go to the other Anantara Hotel, which is right next to Seminyak Beach. We're going to have a look at a presentation for our vacation club, and after that we are going to go into the swimming pool, and I think we'll have a look around Seminyak Beach. It's going to be our first time actually to go to Seminyak Beach, so quite excited. Don't know what to expect. The weather is kind of cloudy but still hot and humid. It's really good, and this walkway is just fantastic. Very nice walkway up to the main entrance of the hotel. Either side of us are the pool villas. I think next time we might have a pool villa, but because it was only the three of us, we got the hotel instead. But if we have invite more guests, like family and friends, we can stay in the pool villas. They're a lot bigger. They've got 2 rooms, got a fitted kitchen, big screen TV, big beds. Enough, I'm told, to fit 6 to 8 people quite comfortably. Yeah, so just going up to the main office. We're going to take a shuttle to Seminyak Beach. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. So while we're there, just need to attend this 1-hour presentation for our vacation club. Incidentally, if you want to have a very good holiday at 80% discount, I can share the link in the description on this video, or you can just contact me and I can get you a very good discount as a club member to an Anantara in Phuket. It's very nice. We've stayed there twice. Very nice hotel and highly recommended. But let's see what today has in store. Just gonna relax by the pool, have a walk along the beach, possibly get a massage and plan what we're going to do for next week. Elsie has a new hobby since she's been here. She likes collecting up all the flowers. Yeah, look at all the flowers you've got. Look at all the flowers. Here's another one, and another one, and a wet one. And also she doesn't want to wear any sandals, going barefoot everywhere. Okay, it's what you do when you're on holiday, right? Collecting flowers and going barefoot. Watch your head on the tree. There you go. So a new hobby, everyone, is to collect the flowers that they have if you're in the resort. Another hotel that we've come to, this is the Anantara in Seminyak Beach, the Legion. It's not bad, very long, more like a resort kind of hotel. It's got a nice swimming pool, as you can see over here. So being a member of the Anantara, we get all these benefits of going to different hotels in a similar area. And not a bad swimming pool. The gym is quite nice. It goes down here onto like a pool full of koi fish, as you can see. This is in Seminyak Beach. That's where we're going to head now. But I think because of the wind, the waves are quite big, too big to go swimming in the beach. So I think we are going to head back to our other hotel, which is slightly further inland, about 10 minutes from here. But it's been a really good experience to see the Anantara in Legion in Seminyak Beach, literally on the beach. Yeah, I like all of the greenery here. Like you can see the bamboo trees everywhere. We're going to catch up with Disem and Elsie. I think they're heading for the beach. Thank you. Quite a windy day today, my goodness. It's very windy, very strong wind. Yeah, look at the waves, big waves. This is Seminyak Beach. We've decided to go back to Avani Hotel. We're taking like a golf buggy. It's perfectly fine to use this. We're going back to our hotel and going to enjoy time by the swimming pool, which I think is the best decision for all of us. Later, perhaps, maybe go to the Hard Rock Cafe to buy my brother and my nephew some souvenirs from there, because we collect Hard Rock Cafe memorabilia from around the world, places that we've been. We're taking a nice, cool, leisurely buggy ride back to our hotel. I don't know if you can see, but look at all of the motorbikes parked outside the Seminyak Beach.
And people are waving at us.
People are waving. People are waving. Yes, everyone waves there. Everyone is just so nice here and friendly. The service is really good. People are nice and friendly, and everyone's relaxed. No stress. Look at all the bikes everywhere. I mean, I've been to Hanoi, which is the motorbike capital of the world, but this would pretty much, be good money to match it. Yeah, more bikes, more construction. Yeah, we are just going to enjoy the swimming pool and just have a lazy day, which is what you do on holiday. Back home, back to the Avani, and we want to go into the swimming pool. Just had a word with the beautiful staff here to take off the cover of one of these gazebos so we can chuck our stuff in. This is the eating area where we have breakfast every morning. Beautiful area, wonderful. And this, we are getting ready to go in. Our swimming pool, here it is. No one's in it, all to ourselves. And we're just going to stay here. All the staff here are so good, so good. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, let's enjoy. Oh, here we go. She can't wait. Seriously, she can't wait to go in. See you later, little girl. Have fun. Have fun. It's like a fish to water, isn't she? Are you a fish? You a fish? Yes, you are. You're a fish. Yay. We're just going to spend today in the pool, I think. Maybe later, because there's still time, I can order some cocktails and have some cocktails by the pool. Mojito, pina colada, or maybe just get a coconut, chop the top off and put some rum in. How about that? Sounds good. Yeah. Are you getting out already? Why are you getting out? Yeah. Oh, lots of towels, lots of cushions. That's what we want. Beautiful. And don't forget, the swimming pool closes at 7. That is before the happy hour ends, so I'm going to order some cocktails before then. Okay. Here is our humble abode for the next few hours at least. Basically until they decide to kick us out. We are, yeah, dinner. We have dinner, right? Yeah. Yeah, we stayed in the Marriott for 2 nights and we didn't eat breakfast here, which is complimentary. So they've decided to give us complimentary dinner instead. The staff here and everything's really personally organised, and the little one is enjoying the swimming pool as I speak. Yeah. So if we have any problems, they sort out immediately. The staff here are so attentive to our needs. Yeah. Okay, I'm just going to chuck my things down and go in. I'm coming in soon. Can you just show us what you can do with your goggles? Yeah? Go on then. Yeah, you can go in. Is it fun?
Yeah.
You're having fun?
Yeah.
Having fun in the pool? Yeah? What do you want to do? What did you see? What can you see? Oh, pop. Elsie, put your goggles on, see what you can see under the water. What can you have a look at? Leaves, okay.
Daddy?
Yes?
You got fire there.
Yeah, I know, but I'm okay.
Where did you get fire from?
I don't know, maybe mosquito bite. Yeah, they like to bite Daddy, don't they?
And me.
And you too, yeah, you got plasters everywhere, Mummy. They're like, mosquitoes like to bite everyone, don't they? Very tempting to get in. I'm tempted to get in, Elsie. Let's have a look at what someone else is doing in this sort of gazebo area. Yes. Mandarin, orange, apples, oranges, monkey bananas. Good. Where are the mangoes? Out of stock. Yes. Maybe we should get some mangoes later. I feel like some mangoes later. Maybe they have for dinner. Yeah, I'll ask them later. Yeah. Yeah. No, we'll get some later. I want to go in the swimming pool. Have a tangerine, then go to the swimming pool. Tangerine power.